Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you how to use Vaseline for abundant hair growth naturally and to get your hair growth 3 times faster than ever, and it's going to work for you 100%. The first ingredient we will need to add is 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of natural honey, يعني في شهد. Then we need to add on it the magical ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. And here I have the ginger powder. You can use fresh ginger instead, but you can add 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger juice instead of ginger powder. But ginger powder is extracted and it's going to work for you tremendously, guys. Now mix all the ingredients very well together. After mixing all the ingredients, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it in your hair roots like so. Apply generous amount in the hair roots and leave it overnight, my friends, with shower cap. Leave on it plastic wrap or shower cap on your hair, and in the next morning your hair will grow faster than ever. You will notice a great results by using this 2 times a week. Your hair will grow 3 times faster and you will get an amazing results. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget subscribe my channel. Turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give the video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.